Alright. I really need a fender on this for night riding, or for wet weather riding, but there's the headlight on there. You probably can't see anything with how wet it is. Ooh, flames, did you see that? Well, let's take a turn down here, I think. Anyway, so this is my Halloween special. So, it's not Halloween yet, but it will be soon. Halloween is my birthday, as you might know, if you are a long-time subscriber. There's the neighbor's house. Yep. Anyways, yeah, Halloween's my birthday. Anyways, that's why I love this muffler, because it shoots flames just like that. Yeah. Anyways, the headlight, I have a little bike tail light. I don't know if you can see that, but I have one of those from a bicycle. Hopefully the audio isn't all screwy because the rain getting in it, and hopefully my GoPro doesn't die. But yeah. Halloween's my birthday, so if you want, you can wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I think this bike needs some upgraded valve springs, because and sometimes I think it's getting valve float. I think that's what it is, kind of revving and not keeping revving. But yeah, I think I need. But they don't sell too many performance parts for Tecumsehs because, I don't know, they're not very popular. But anyways, maybe. I've been looking on OMB Warehouse. Ooh, pretty slippy. Anyway, so yeah. Just making a stream of water. Here. It's kind of a miserable day out. It's supposed to be like this all week. Yeah, this thing gets it. I have the spark plug from the go-kart in here. Oh, that wind. But anyway. Yeah. Love it. Anyway, so here's my Halloween video again. Carved a pumpkin today. Yeah, but follow my Instagram at DougL_YT, kind of like YouTube. And you'll see what I got for Halloween, or for my birthday. And see all the behind the scenes pretty much of what I do, what I'm doing. And yeah. So that, I'll link it in the description, and maybe at the end of the video here. So yeah, here's the bike. There's the headlight. So yeah, let's get going this way, back home, I guess. I think that was my boss, actually. Yeah, I cut grass about every week. Well, not in this weather, obviously, or not in this season, but when it is, that's what I do. So yeah, maybe we'll go around here once. Pretty wet out, but not much we can do about that because got to get this video up for Halloween, I figure. because I always have a Halloween special. Oh, it's very wet. Maybe we shouldn't go in here, oh well. We'll go on the sidewalk. Yeah. Anyways. Oh, big puddle. Go slowly through here. But yeah, my friend Mike, you don't know about him, but not Mikey, but Mike, he built a bike not that long ago. He put a Honda GX270 on it, has a torque converter, and the thing's just beat the rings on the engine, so it smokes so much. He's riding it pretty much all summer, and I said, you better check to make sure you got oil, because I had the same thing with the Tecumseh. Not very good rings. What's he do? He goes and seizes the engine, and then can't ride when I wanted to race him, so now we have to wait till he gets his bike back together. He just got the rings in. I think actually he did get it together. I think he went for a ride. So yeah, we'll race him with his CVT. He'll obviously be faster than CVT, but anyways, yeah, kind of sketchy, you can see. Anyways, but it's Halloween. On the day I post this, or actually I'll post this the night before Halloween, if everything's all good. So yeah, that's what we'll do, I guess. If you see this, then you see this, and well, saved it. Anyways, I think we're all good. We better put this away before I hurt myself. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, wish me a happy birthday, buy this snowblower for sale. Anyways, whatever. Yeah, so that's about the end of the video. So I will kill it here. If you enjoyed, do all that. You know what to do. Hopefully I've survived and you've enjoyed. So we'll kill it here. Happy Halloween, everybody. Halloween special. Anyways, my glasses are fogging up, so have a good day.